There's the feet.
Hey, Lily.
I love them.
Hey,
What is this?
Lily.
Hey,
Lily. Look.
There's Lily.
So you can see the final product. Doesn't look out of this world.
You ducking?
She's touching her toes.
Alright, let's move on. This is such a nice change from an ordinary baked potato. Some love potatoes. Look at him. See what the mayonnaise did to him.
Ready?
And you see
I think so. Are we hungry?
You'll have to try this.
What are you trying to tell us?
Chicken that's been fried.
All right. No, no, no.